So you've just come home from a photo shoot, you've dropped all of your photos onto the computer, and you have hundreds or even thousands of photos. You need to go through all of these photos, organize them, and edit all of your favorite photos. But this process is long-winded and it's going to take you forever to get through all of those photos. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to batch edit your photos, and that's right inside of Adobe Lightroom. So let's get right into the video. So once you've got Adobe Lightroom open, we're going to begin by importing our photos. So we're going to go to the import button on the bottom left of Lightroom. Press that and you want to scroll through the tab on the left to find your photos. And once you find your photos, you want to select everything that you want to import and deselect the photos that you're not interested in. In my example, I'm just going to deselect any videos that I took on this day because we don't want to edit videos inside of Lightroom. So once those have imported, we just want to go ahead and we want to change the sort to capture time. And now from here, we just want to go ahead and rotate all of the photos that are currently the wrong way around. So select the first photo, hold Shift on your keyboard and select the last photo in that sequence that is the wrong way around. Now once you've selected this, just press one of these arrows in the bottom left or the bottom right to rotate the photo, and then you can just go ahead and move on to the next sequence of photos. So as you can see, we're moving on to this photo. Moving over, we've got two here that need to be rotated around, and just go through this entire process and make sure all of these photos are rotated and make sure they are the right way around. From here, we're just going to go up to our very first photo in the entire sequence. We're going to go over to the Develop tab, and inside of the Develop tab, we can adjust all of our settings and we can do all of our color correction and color grading here. So you can pull the exposure down, the contrast, highlight, shadows, whites, blacks, clarity, vibrance. There's a million settings in Lightroom. But just so you can really visually see everything syncing up with this color correction, I'm just going to do something really ugly and really extreme. Obviously, this is horrendous. Don't edit your photos like this, but this is just for the tutorial. So in the bottom left of Lightroom, we're going to press the copy button. And inside of the copy settings, you can either select or deselect each one of these individual settings. I keep everything checked except for crop. I never select crop because each and every photo is different and each and every photo will require a slightly different frame. So I deselect crop. Now, once you're happy with that, just press the copy button on the bottom right of the copy settings window. Go back to the library tab, select all of your photos by holding down Command and pressing A. And then in the bottom right side of Adobe Lightroom, press the button that says Sync Settings. Make sure everything except for crop is selected, and we'll press synchronize. Now, depending on the performance of your computer, this could take a few seconds or a few minutes, but as you will see, all of these photos are getting that really ugly blue color grading effect applied. And of course, if we select an individual photo, we go over to the Develop tab, we can individually adjust all of these settings. We can crop the photo, we can add more color correction, take some away, but you can always go ahead and you can adjust each photo individually now that they've all got this first basic color correction applied to the photos. And of course, if you want to export all of these photos straight out of Lightroom, then all you need to do is hold Command and A. That will select everything. Go down to the bottom left, press Export, select the export location, scroll down to File Settings, and you can increase the quality all the way up to 100%, and you can change the format, but I'm going to keep it on JPEG. And once you're happy with these settings, just press Export, and there you go. You've very quickly and very easily batch exported hundreds or even thousands of photos in a fraction of the time it would have took you without Lightroom. And there you go. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. See you there.